Okay, it is chilly 30 out here now. I don't know, it's probably high 30s. Ain't real bad though. I got a couple little radiator heaters just putting out a little bit of heat to keep me from freezing over. I got the whole thing covered with this poly brush, and this poly brush is kind of it's a type of glue. It's like a rubber cement. It's thinner than the poly tack. But also it gives your whole surface, all your wood, a softer feel. It's got, like I said, it's a little rubbery. So it kind of like rubber coats the whole thing a little bit and makes a better place to lay the fabric. Oh, so I believe. Anyway, we had a great day here. I hope you have a great day. And if it's evening there, I hope you have a beautiful evening. And wake up tomorrow and find some happiness and reconciliation and whatever else you need in your life to make it a better place for you and those around you. It's hard to do sometimes, real hard, but you just keep on plugging along, right? Meanwhile, you know what to do if you need some help. You just keep looking up. That's where our Savior's coming from.